Hey, how's it going, everybody? So we're out here with, I believe this is a 2000, I want to say 18 Ford Explorer. But she needs a tire replacement done. Yesterday I couldn't get to this one. I was a little busy with, my son's birthday and family stuff. So I told her I'd get over here. It is 6:50 a.m. right now. So pretty much the crack of dawn for the most part. Let me get some soap here. These the old words. Uh-oh. Yep. I don't know where my cloth went, but I had to get some bead seal out of the truck and my spoons. It's a little hazy out this morning. Let me see if I can clean the camera off here just a little bit. Gets a little foggy out in the mornings. Messes with the camera. Alright. This is a 255/50 R20. So we're doing a 20 right away in the morning. Not worried about this rim. It is all scratched up already. So not a big deal. I mean, it still looks nice, but we're not going to mess it up any more than it already is. There we go. Find the sensor here. There it is. Okay. Slide that out without damaging the rim here. Just like this. Now I want to pull that one out and move it over just a little bit. Just a little. Nothing major. Nope, not yet. Wasn't enough. There we go, that should work. There we go. And no scratches from us on it. Alright, that's junk. Let's get the other drill and clean that up. Get our wire drill here. You know what I forgot to do? Wasn't even thinking. Almost forgot to put a jack stand under this. Go up one more. There we go. And we'll put our locking pin in. There we go. Now that can't go nowhere. Lower it back to a little bit. There we are. Set that handle up. All right, there we go. Just something I forgot to do is all. yeah, since this wasn't an emergency call yesterday, she said she could wait till this morning. So, and like I said, my son's birthday was yesterday, so I took time out for that. Okay. Gotta set that down gently because I don't want to mess up the face of it while I'm doing this. This is a nice rim. And I don't know where my towel is that I usually lay down for this to put a blocker in between the ground and the nice rim. So I just got to be a little more careful with it, is all. There we go. Cool. Oh, weights. Let me get that weight off of there. I forgot about it almost. Done it. Go to grab one thing out the truck and about 5 other things fall out of it. Happens. See, where is that weight at? Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, we don't even have to balance this one. It's got a dot on it. It's got a weight dot on it. Nice. Just line that up with the valve stem. We should be good. We'll still check it on the balance machine, though. Not a directional. Ooh, look at that. That was nice. Maybe I won't have to work so hard this morning to get this on there. Oh, I should have kept my mouth shut on that. Now it's going to make me definitely work hard to get it on there. Just line up our dot like that. Give me some spoons. That didn't give me no trouble at all on that. All right, let's air it up. And go get the valve stem and the cap. Well, core and the cap. See, no damage to the rim at all. Not that we did anyways. I have to get the air cannon. I don't know if you can hear that, but I think the bearings in this air compressor is about gone. There it goes. Sometimes when you kick it, you can get it to seal up. cold out this morning, so really tired, kind of cold. That stretch is easy. Alright, we'll try it with 40 pounds. Oh, look at that! Ain't that a bummer? Built this up for nothing. Man, that one was a little violent. Let's get through the airport. "35" is the air pressure. I need to leave the truck running while we're balancing up the tire right quick. All right. Get our balancer here. See how level the spot is. Let's see. Not very level. That's for sure. Okay, so let's tighten this all up and a little bit more here. There we go. That looks good. All right. Pick up our tire. Set it on the balancer. Give it a little wobble and a little spin. Let's do its thing. Now, if I lined it up the dot right, it should be perfect. Ah, well, look at that. It don't get no better than that. All right. Remember, when your tires have these dots like this on them and you line them up properly, it's already balanced at peak optimal performance for the vehicle. I'm just using the balancer just to, make sure that it's balanced. Sometimes, like if it's got a weight on it on the inside of the rim, it could throw the balance off just a little bit. Because, well, what we like to do is these types of rims, if they have sticky weights on like the edge of the inside for the outer edge of this rim, we'll leave those on and then we balance just the one side because these balancers only balance the inside of the tire, not the outside of the tire. All right, let's put this tire back on and we're going to get out of here. Oh. There we go. Get rid of the stickers. I need to have them on there. Ooh, 20s are heavy when they got air in them. Okay, and this will get torqued down at 100 foot-pounds of torque. Let's jack it up, get the jack stand out from underneath it. Torque wrench. Turn that up to 100. Back it off of 105. That's where I had it set at. Doing pickup trucks yesterday. Back around to this one. All right, there we go. All right. There we go. She's all set. DS Vault. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Be sure to like, share, subscribe.